reports using report wizards. To demonstrate the report wizard, you are going to produce a report listing the students by their level, with the level only appearing once for each group of students. You'll see how, at each step of the wizard, you have control over which fields appear and also over the layout of the report. Firstly, we will add a new field in a students table called level. Then we will apply randomly each student a different level among first, second, and third. Click on the Students table in the object list. Move to Create tab and click on Report Wizard. The Report Wizard now goes through 6 steps. Move across the fields you want on your report. Here you want them all. Select each in turn, then click on right arrow, press Enter or click on Next. Step 2 allows you to set grouping levels. You only need a list of names for each student's level. So move across level using right arrow. Then press Enter or click on Next. Sort by last name ascending. Press Enter or click on Next. Choose a layout. Scheme is fine. Press Enter and click on Next. Choose a style for your report, or better still, no one. Press Enter or click on Next. Call your report Students by Level. Press Enter or click on Finish. The resultant level report may not be exactly what you want, but it's easier to modify the design than to create one from scratch. Close Preview. Click on the Views Report tab and choose Design View for changing its layout. Click on the Views Report tab and choose Report View to see the whole report. Click on the Views Report tab and choose Presentation View to see the whole report and change some features. Click on the Views Report tab and choose Preview to see how the report will be printed and move around pages from the buttons on the status bar. Next, try to use a special wizard to generate labels for the students. Click on the Between Dates query in the Objects list. Move to the Create tab and click on Labels. The Label Wizard now goes through 5 steps. Set up the size for your labels. Check Filter by Manufacturer is set to Ivory. Change the units of measure to English and select 5160 as the product number. Press Enter or click on Next. Set up the font name and font size, etc., which you require. Here, leave them as they are. Press Enter or click on Next. Move the fields across to a prototype level by clicking on the arrow provided. Move across last name, then press comma. Press spacebar. Move across first name, then press Enter. Move across birthday, press enter. Then click on next. Sort by last name, press enter or click on next. Call your report Students January-July 1993 labels. Press enter or click on finish. Press enter for OK to cancel the warning message. To the report, then click on its close button to close it. Tip: getting Access reports looking exactly the way you want can be very time consuming. It may be easier to do the formatting in Excel or Word. On the External Data tab, the Excel button lets you send data to an Excel spreadsheet, while the Word button creates a rich text format (RTF) file. Using the More button, you can export in various other formats or carry out a mail merge in Microsoft Word.